Introduction to budget-friendly, plant-based pantry staples.
Eating more plant-based meals doesn't have to be expensive. Stocking your pantry with affordable staples can help you create nourishing, varied meals with ease. In this video, we'll highlight 5 essential budget-friendly plant-based foods, plus simple ways to use each in tasty, healthy recipes. Let's make plant-based eating accessible for everyone.
Staple number 1, dried or canned beans.
Beans, such as black beans, chickpeas, and lentils, are protein-packed pantry heroes. They are inexpensive, filling, and versatile. Perfect for soups, salads, stews, or veggie burgers. Try blending chickpeas into a quick hummus or tossing black beans into a chili. With just a few spices, beans can become the heart of countless nutritious, satisfying meals.
Staple number 2, brown rice.
Brown rice is an affordable whole grain that provides fiber and minerals. It's easy to cook in large batches and pairs well with almost any dish. Use it as a base for stir-fries, burrito bowls, or simple vegetable pilafs. For a quick meal, top cooked brown rice with sautéed greens, beans, and your favorite sauce for a balanced, plant-based bowl.
Staple number 3, rolled oats.
Rolled oats are not just for breakfast. They're a budget-friendly whole grain option for any time of day. Enjoy them as classic oatmeal. Bake them into muffins or blend into smoothies for extra creaminess. You can also use oats in homemade granola or as a binder in veggie burgers. Their versatility and nutrition make them a pantry must-have.
Staple number 4, canned tomatoes.
Canned tomatoes add flavor, color, and nutrients to countless dishes for very little cost. Use them as the base for pasta sauces, curries, soups, or chili. Simply simmer canned tomatoes with garlic and herbs for a quick, homemade pasta sauce. Or add them to lentil stew for a nourishing, hearty meal. Stock up. They have a long shelf life.
Staple number 5, peanut butter.
Peanut butter is an affordable source of plant-based protein and healthy fats. Enjoy it on whole grain toast, whisked into savory sauces, or blended into smoothies for extra creaminess. For a quick stir-fry, mix peanut butter with soy sauce and a little water for a tasty, protein-rich sauce. Choose unsweetened varieties for the healthiest option.
Easy, nutritious meals start with smart staples.
Stocking your pantry with these 5 budget-friendly staples sets the stage for endless healthy meals. Experiment by combining them with seasonal vegetables and your favorite spices. Eating plant-based on a budget is not only possible, it's delicious and satisfying. Start simple, get creative, and enjoy the benefits of nutritious plant-powered cooking, all without breaking the bank.